Hey guys, it is Sarah James here from JJBbeads.com. I am live at Tohono Chul Park and Gardens in beautiful, sunny, albeit chilly, Tucson, Arizona. We are just coming in on the last hour at the JJB Beads Tucson Adventure. So we've been having a full day of workshops, lunch. We've been hanging with all kinds of new bead friends. Beadalon is here also. I just stepped outside to start this live video because we are in the middle of a big session inside. Oh, wait here. I'll take you guys inside so you can really get a good peek. But we're on our last workshop of the day. Sara Ellis is teaching how low connection. So, there we go. Low connection. So hopefully you guys can hear me. But I am going to just flip the camera around so you can get a grasp of all the fun we've been having all day today. We have been really busy, so I haven't gotten to come on here and do this with you guys until now. But we're on our last workshop, and there's some familiar faces here in this crowd and some newbies. So let me just flip the camera around, and you guys can say hello. Hi, Angie. Hi, Debbie. Hi, Susan. Hi, Linda. Okay, so here we are in our classroom. Everyone has learned a lot of new cool things. We are working on this project back here. I can't really see it. Let me take you over to the project and then I'll show you what everyone's been working on. So we've got a good group. There's Meredith from Beadalon. We've got Yvette in the back corner. Beads of Courage is here. We've made some really, really cool things. So this is the project everyone's working on right now. Check out this bad boy. And I've got exciting news. We have more kits for these projects. So we're going to record videos of how to make the projects now that the event's about to be over. So that way everyone that's here taking the classes can watch again and get more post-show instruction. And if you guys are interested in getting the kits for these, bead projects, we'll have the tutorials and the kits available online. So let me flip the camera around and we'll just take a peek at what everyone's working on. Hey guys. Hi. Yes, we're having so much fun over here. Our girls have been having a great time. This is Kirsten and Sandy. Sandy, you got a brownie. It's just delicious. I just had one. It was so good. Brownies are to die for, aren't they?
Yeah, we get lemon bars too.
Yeah, the lemon bar. I also had one of those too. And I put whipped cream all over mine. So now, are you working on your wire weave?
Yeah, and this is new to me. I'm so excited to learn a new technique.
That's awesome. Yeah, we learned a lot today. And this was the bracelet. I'm just Sandy because you're here on the end. You're getting picked on by me. So this is the bracelet that Sandy made earlier. Beads of Courage was here. They donated the Carry a Bead program. If you're familiar with Beads of Courage, you'll know how cool that this thing actually is. What Carry a Bead does is a bead is donated to a child that is in the Beads of Courage Carry a Bead program. Beads of Courage helps children record and tell their medical journey through beads. So kids that have cancer and heart disease and just other awful things that no one should ever have to go through, let alone a kid, gets to tell their medical journey through beads. So Carry a Bead asks you to wear a bead for a while, then return the one bead to the child that's in the program with an encouraging story, and then you get to keep one for yourself. So we made these bangles that allow you to have a special bracelet to wear your part of the bead all the time, and then you send the one back to the kid, and it's a really nice token and just a nice memento to be able to always have that part of your story with you. Okay, so next we've got, this is my new friend Tracy. Tracy's from Creative Bead Chat. So if any of you guys are members of Creative Bead Chat, maybe you know Tracy from being there. She's also a writer. You're not on it?
No, that's just Justine's thing. I'm a behind-the-scenes blogger kind of person.
Okay, well, Justine is coming up. Justine is working on some really cool blogs. Can you tell our fans some of the stuff that you're working on?
Oh, we're trying to get the whole, especially Tucson Bead Show, but beads in general, to come up to the digital age so that we can create more of an audience to get people to come out to shows like this.
Cool.
And right now we're concentrating on like your class and trying to show people what maybe they can plan on next year and make a point of coming next year.
really
It's
like
so
that.
much fun.
That's awesome. Thank you. Yes, and we really appreciate being able to come on here and talk to you guys online, and we appreciate people like Tracy and Justine that are taking the time to record the events that we're doing so we can keep doing this stuff and continue having a great time.
So you want 2 inches total of the weave, okay?
Here's Sara Ellis. Hold on a second.
Double check on your ruler. Feels alive. Okay.
So Sara Ellis teaching our class.
Okay.
These are my new friends over here. Miss Teresa. Teresa is a new beader. Say hi to a new friend. Anyone that's on Jesse James Secret Stash, say hi to Teresa because she is going to be one of our newest members. I just know it. She's a brand new beader. She heard about the event and she came out here to try her hand at beading, and she is doing an amazing job. Yes. So what's really cool about these events is that we all get together, and whether you come solo or whether you come with a friend, you always leave with more friends and a new set of skills that you had before you walked in the door. So we've been really enjoying the day here. It's been a lot of fun. This is the inside of our classroom. We had lunch earlier. We're on our 3rd project. Beadalon has been here. Beads of Courage have been here. Jesse James Beads is obviously in the house. And we've been having a great day. So I'm going to sign off for now. I just wanted to say hello really quick. Thank you so much. Thank you so much for all the support that you guys give us. We wish that all of you could be right here in this room with us. So stay tuned because Jesse James Beads and Beadalon will have more fun things coming up in the summertime. We've got some cool ideas in the works for something around Bead Fest time. So, tell everyone. We're going to do something cool in the summer. Thank you for everything. And yeah. Oh, there's new beads at jessejamesbeads.com, actually. And some cool new mini mixes too. So if you're in the market for something, go check them out. We miss you. Wish you were here. Have a great afternoon. Bye. Bye-bye.